What's up traders? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I'll be doing a live analysis and live trading session as usual, like every days, 5 days in a week we do this live stream. As you know that there is an enormous value in this live stream. If you want to take full advantage from this live stream, I'll suggest you to stick till the end. And before I begin, just do a favor for me, give a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new today. As you know that not only live stream, every day I post analysis as well as educational content almost every day coming up a lot. So don't miss that out. Don't delay, just give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And let's see what pairs now giving trading opportunity as the market is picking up. As you know that there are quite a few news released today also, already released, and some coming up. CAD news is coming after an hour from now, so there could be some more trading opportunity as we are trading CAD pairs already, and I sincerely believe that there will be more on this. So let's begin with some of the pairs including gold. Gold looks like that creating a bearish price action as usual, like that gold is in bearish all the time. This is what I expected. Daily time frame, we have seen that after this daily time frame, gold now creating a little bit of consolidation here, but finally I think that it will make its move to the downs. Looking at the weekly, you see that weekly this week, this is the third day of the trading week, the price just the bulls couldn't make it through enough. We saw that rejection from the top on the weekly time frame, so that could be that gold might come down. Now let me give you a full analysis on gold, what I think that my view is. Now you can see that this is the monthly time frame. Now why do I look at monthly? There is only one reason, is because higher time frame will give you a direction in the market. See, the price either will go up or down or in a sideway. Okay, so once you know the direction, the next thing is the price action. Okay, so to find the direction in the market, a higher time frame is best, multi time frame analysis. Now looking at the monthly, what you see that gold, you can see the top, there is a lower high has been created in gold. So that is an awesome opportunity for gold for going down, and there is a shorting opportunity. Now what do you see that gold has created a lower high? So with that lower high, we have seen that gold broke down. This is what exactly I mentioned in all my analysis. And currently what gold have done, that we have seen that gold came to this level of support on the monthly. But what I think that if you draw a trend line connecting the monthly low, this is the trend line. If you draw this trend line on the monthly, what I see that gold still didn't touch this monthly support. Okay, if you draw this, extend this trend line up to here, see that gold still didn't touch fully this trend line. So there could be another drop on monthly before going for a deeper retracement. So weekly, this is what you see that the price already reached to this zone and we see a rejection. What I think that there will be a little drop, even it might create a lower high from this zone. It might broke this level, even create a lower high on this. So there is a possibility of dropping in gold. Okay, now looking at the daily, you can see that there was you see, that's how you have to predict a market, how the candle is doing. So this candle, you see this red and green candle, is basically a representation of the activities of buyers and sellers. So who is the stronger will always win. This is the natural law. Stronger is always, stronger will always win. Now look at this red candle, look at this one here. Okay, now look at this green candle, look at this two here. Now again, look at this red candle, look at this green candle, look at this red candle. The same thing, you see, it's a simple logic. You don't need a lot of indicators, you don't need a lot of strategies to understand it. simple price action, and price action is always king. Big boys, every bigger traders use pure price action, so rely on price action. Now back to back 2 days on what we have seen, that gold has created this bullish pattern. So there is a strong, pardon me, bearish pattern. The gold drop created this retracement. Now we can expect another drop. Now finally we came to the point where you can say that gold is creating, this is the, you see this green candle, a little bit of fake move to the upside. So what I think that gold is trying to now dropping, creating this pattern, will come down. Smash the like button now. Now in the meantime guys, don't hesitate to write your thought, your ideas, your request on the chat section, so that I know that what you are after, and I can act on it. I can give you more values. This is why I am here, to help you and to build a good trading community. This is my passion, and my goal is to help the traders. I know that by helping, the peace comes. So Faik Ali, my account is in, no, please help me and I can save. So Faik Ali, my account is in loss, please help me as I can save my equity. Faik Ali, I don't know what happened to your account. You can contact us, go to the website, use the live chat, let me know what happened. I'm here always to help you. So Kakular, hi, thank you Kakular. Pawin, hello Wizard, thank you Pawin. Avinash, hello sir. Comedy TV, hello sir. Check Gbpusd, we'll look at it. Faik Ali, Madhu, Euro USD analysis, please, we'll look at it. Emmanuel, Euro CAD, let me look at, please. I have a rough week, Emmanuel. It's okay, sometimes you have to have a rough week, just be patient. Euro CAD, AUD, NZD, GBP CAD, Pure FX, good PM sir. Hi coach, analyze Gbpusd, dollar yen, Chris, yep, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, please we'll look at it. Can you look at GBP JPY and Gbpusd? Please can you check Euro AUD? I will look at it. Community to be Madhu sir. Euro USD analysis. Okay, so Pure FX, Trevor, hi Wizard, you are needed, Wizard. Yeah, absolutely, it's great to hear from you daily. Please can you look at GJ? We'll look at it. Basaka. Okay, so let's look at GJ now. I find a lot of requests for GJ. Let's look at it now. Let me look at the first of all bigger picture, daily time frame. Now GJ, it's a long-term bullish, it's a bullish market. You can see that the price every day is creating a series of higher low, so it's a bullish market. Now in this bullish market, what we can expect, the GJ to continue to go up. Now as you can see that this is GJ has created a kind of inverted head and shoulder. You see, this is an inverted head and shoulder, and what I think that now, as I mentioned yesterday also, GJ might come for retracement, but I think that finally it should go up because it's a long-term bullish. Now how do you look at the monthly? You see that the price from this monthly support zone, we have seen GJ has created a higher low and then started to go up. Now looking at the weekly, we have seen that after previous week's doji or pin bar, this week as soon as the market closed, we saw that GJ started to go up. Daily, now what we see on the daily, that the price created kind of inverted head and shoulder on the daily, and then the price moving up. Now as soon as we saw little uprise, we see the price is coming down. Now this coming down is basically what I think, that the price is coming to test this neckline of this inverted head and shoulder. Why? When you see that the price any kind of head and shoulder or a reversal pattern, if you see, let's say the price created this kind of a reversal pattern, okay, and then breaking to the upside, okay, what you can expect, that the price to come to this neckline, okay, previous neckline, to test this neckline and then to continue to up. So that's how you can understand the movement in the market. When you see a trending market, you must need a reversal pattern to see that this market is basically moving in other direction. So I see that my face is always covered with this text, so let me put it. Okay, what about here? Okay, I put it a bit smaller. Okay, that's better. All right, so that's how you can see me properly, because I see that because of the text you guys don't see me. So let's do it like that. Hopefully that way you will not miss this area of the chart, because there is a list here, and at the same time I can be visible to you. Let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, so yeah, so let's look at, so now what happening is that GJ, you see there is an inverted head and shoulder on the daily. As a rule of thumb, the price should come down to this previous resistance here. Resistance here should be testing as a support, and from here we could see that GJ is moving up. So with that in mind, what I think that on the lower time frame, I will be waiting for a test of this previous. This is the daily time frame, so inverted head and shoulder here. This is the neckline. Okay, this is the resistance. I want it to come to this level of a test as support, and then continuing to the upside. So with that in mind, what I can say that, let me see. Okay, GJ. So looking at the intraday or 4 hour, so let me draw this daily neckline. This is the level that I'm expecting GJ should come. Let me draw this line here, dotted line. Now with that in mind, so this is where I'm expecting GJ to fall back, probably to this level, or even testing this 4 hour. If we see in this zone GJ is coming and creating a bullish pattern, that is where I will be considering going long on GJ. You see that on the 4 hour we already have seen an established trend, so the price is doing like that, going series of higher high and higher low. So what I am expecting that to come to test this previous resistance and support, and then going long. So for now I will not be selling, because it's a long-term bullish market. You see, this is an uptrending market. Buying is not selling is not a good idea. Instead, if it comes down to this level, and that is where I will be considering going long on GJ based on the price action confirmation on the retest of this daily neckline, daily resistance. So this is the daily resistance here, testing as support. From here we could consider going long on GJ. Smash the like button now if you haven't done yet, and also guys, don't forget to subscribe. This is Forex Wizard. If you're new to the channel, if you want to learn my strategies and also trade with me, there is a link in the description area, and also you can find link at the top of this chat where you can visit the website to see how these things are working. Now let's look at GBP CAD. Today I have posted quite a few analysis. You have seen that on GBP pairs. Now looks like that the analysis working out according to the way I have analyzed, and let me explain now why I have analyzed. And also we are on a trade on GBP CAD. This is the trade that I have sent to our VIP students. This week we have few trades because the market was a little bit in a sideways. That's how it works. So if we see that the market is moving in a slow, we have to slow. So this is the trade that I have sent to our VIP students, GBP CAD, with entry, stop loss and take profit, and also explanation of this analysis to the VIP students. And let me explain now to you guys so that you understand why I have taken this trade and how you can find this kind of trade for yourself as well. We have a strategy to trade this kind of pattern. if you want to learn that strategy, I'll suggest you to join our VIP lifetime access, where you will be learning all my strategies and also trading with me every single day. And you know that there are some more strategies coming up, incredible. I did a lot of research on them, and if you're a lifetime member, you will be learning them for the rest of your life. So now GBP CAD, you need see there is a CAD news on 10:30 p.m. Sydney time, which is now 9:45. So what we see that GBP CAD, you see there is a long-term strongly bearish market. GBP CAD monthly we see a strongly bearish, weekly as well. This current week we have seen significant retracement to the upside. Grab the liquidity from this zone. Why you see there is a doji here. Grab the liquidity, and then we have seen that a rejection. Now looking at the daily, this is where we saw a trading opportunity. You see this is the daily time frame, and we have seen that there is a daily bearish engulfer is formed, followed by today we saw significant retracement to the upside, and then we can see that GBP CAD trying to reject. So looking at the intraday or 4 hour, now you can see that there is a bearish engulfer has been formed when I did this analysis. This is the 4 hour candle during the London session, and from that point we have seen that the price after retracement now rejecting to the downside. Now there is a head and shoulder here as well, and I can expect that the price to continue to drop. This is almost 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade. Let's see what happens. Trading is all about probability. I sincerely believe that we will be winning this trade. So let me look at what you guys and girls are up to. What I have seen that FX place Euro AUD, will look at it. Joku waiting to short on gold. Thank you, sir, from South Africa. No problem, Joku. Thank you for your joining this live session. Euro USD, I'll look at it. Success crypto FX have not been in single profit this week, so sir, I lost. Okay, no problem. That's what happened. It's okay. Let you know, sometime you will have some losing streak. Be patient. This week the market is in a sideways, so you have to be patient. USD CHF top priority. Yeah, gold, a good day wizard, no problem. Makobi, pure FX, Javan, hello wizard, Randall, hello wizard, pure FX, please, I have a pending order on Euro AUD, sir. Okay, that's good. Euro dollar, sir, please. No crypto for gold day, sir. Commodity with Gbpusd, Mona, hello, sir. Jesro, GBP, JPY, GBP AUD. Can you please analyze USD CAD, Euro GBP, please, sir? Projects gold. Okay, so very good. I see quite a few response from all of you guys. That's awesome. Now let me look at euro dollar. Okay, and then you look at euro AUD. Now euro dollar, looking at the monthly, see this is a long-term bearish market, and I think that the price, I'm not a buyer on euro dollar. It's a long-term bearish. You see the monthly, as soon as the market open, and from this zone we have seen that the price now, you know, this is the monthly, the first went above and then started to push up, push down. Now let's see how I trade this kind of market. Is when you see that a long-term, you know, bearish market, and you saw a long monthly candle and then retracement, you can expect again to drop. So with that in mind, euro dollar to me is still bearish. Looking at the weekly, now weekly we have seen the price already, you know, reach to this level, not fully there. Why? Because what I am expecting that euro dollar at least to come to test this support here. Okay, this is the support here, this is the support here, testing as a resistance, and then continuing down. So with that in mind, euro dollar, I think that at some point will come down, okay, because it's a long-term bearish only selling is always a good idea. Daily, from this daily 20 period moving average, the price now slowly creating a bearish move. What I think that on euro dollar is finally it will make its move down. Okay, it's a long term bearish and always trade with the trend, but what I think, it could spike up to test this previous support as a resistance. That could be really awesome, but if I see that it's not going there, okay, maybe probably we could see a pattern from here for coming down. Now looking at the intraday or 4 hour, so this is what the price action is creating. What I think that euro dollar is already, it has a consolidation on the 4 hour. So let me look at how it is doing. But what I think that it might, let me look at it clearly. What I think that it is still bearish. There is a strong, you see, a green candle consolidation. Now the price is coming down from here. Either it could go up to test this zone and then coming down, or euro dollar is continue to drop to continue its downtrend. But at this point, let me look at the news release, what's happening. So tomorrow there is JPY euro news on, yeah, tomorrow. So euro dollar, what it could do, let me look at it properly. So looking at the daily, okay, so what I think, you know, what euro dollar might do, euro dollar until tomorrow might be in a sideways, okay, and then finally, okay, after this daily candle close, euro dollar might test this daily 20 period moving average again by tomorrow's candle, and then will continue to drop. So if this is the case, then what euro dollar might do from here, it might go up again, probably will create kind of, you know, double top, triple top consolidation, and then will create a bearish pattern. So this is a high probability possibility, because looking at the daily, you see that the price already tested this daily 20 period moving average, and then we see that slowly rejecting down, right? Now two possible scenarios. One is to fully break down, okay, from here like that today. If today it doesn't break down like that, we could see the price is testing this and then coming down. So what I will be waiting, you see, this is the daily time frame, right? This price action to me is a retracement. What retracement? You see there is an impulse, this is a retracement, and we could see another impulse. Okay, so to sell euro dollar, for me, I will be waiting for a 4 hour time frame price action from this daily 20 period moving average and from this resistance. What I think euro dollar will do something like that, and then will come down. So for me now I'll not be trading. See, that's how what I need. You say we have GBP CAD trade which is running in profit, and that's what I need. I need 1 or 2 trades in a day. That's enough for me, right? You don't need too many trades. 1-2 trades in a day is enough. Even, you know, 1 trade in a week, if it is a perfect trade, is enough. Okay, so euro dollar currently not giving that much of trading opportunity, because there are 2 possible scenarios. It could be melting down like that. There is one possible scenario that it is melting down and then creating a head and shoulder like this. One possibility. Let me tell you again what it might do. It might come down like that, okay, today on the daily, and then tomorrow it will go up something like that, creating this kind of head and shoulder and then falling. Another possibility is to go up from here and dropping from here. So to me, euro dollar is bearish. Dollar is stronger, it's continue to be stronger. Okay, that means that gold is showing the opposite. That's what exactly you see. The gold is now 2 hours remaining, is still, it's still a bearish price action. Okay guys, so in the meantime guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up. I give you 2 seconds, give a big thumbs up. That's really helps the channel, helps me to stay motivated, helps me to give you more values. So make sure that you give a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Let me look at what you guys and girls are up to. Kingsley, USD ZAR, will look at it. Friends, gold this week, please, thanks a lot, no problem. Eurojp, will look at it. Has a gold expected move. Gold, look to me that it's bearish. Please let us smash the like button. Pure FX, yes, good job. I see many likes coming. That's what I want from you. Help the channel. It's your channel. Forex Wizard is always here to help you. Please let us, okay, hi Wizard Eurocat, please look at it. Are you in India? No, I'm in Sydney, Australia. Aussie, yep. USD CAD, look at it. Hello sir. Eurojpy Wizard, hello Vinesh, sir, how to understand PEEP? Okay, how to understand PEEP? What's this? Okay, let me explain what is understand PEEP. Okay, it's a question that Avinash asked, how to understand PEEP. This is a basic question. I think most of you know, but let me tell you how to understand PEEP. Probably could be a new, so let me tell you. So you see this Aussie dollar, now you can see on the screen 0.6896. So if you see that, let's say a pair, let's say Aussie dollar price is 0.6895. okay, I have a completely free course on my website. You can go there. I have explained everything, how to like do this kind of things, but you still can learn from here. So PEEP is like the fourth digit, okay, is called PEEP. Okay, so what do I mean by this? Let's say the price is 0.6895. After some time, the price became 68, let's say 75. Okay, so last digit, like how many? If you consider that these two digit, okay, so how much drop in this price? So you see that 25, right? Pardon me, 20. So 95, 85, 75, 20. That 20 is called the PEEP. So this is the PEEP. PEEP, nothing to be complicated, it's just PEEP. Okay. So the price dropped 20 PEEP. That's the simple thing. Okay. That is PEEP. There is a meaning of this PEEP that I explain everything in my website, link in the description. You can go to the free beginners course where you will find what is PEEP. Okay, so that's PEEP, and this PEEP carries a value. Let's say each PEEP movement could if you buy one lot, let's say on euro dollar, and each PEEP movement will change, let's say $10, $20, depending on what currency pair you are trading. So the PEEP carries a value, and that is the reason you need to understand PEEP. So that's the PEEP. If you want to know more, you can join that free trading course on my website. So that is about PEEP. Gbpusd, okay, Babak, thanks, no problem. Emmanuel, USD CHF community with Gbpusd. So I think gold is making symmetric triangle. I don't know if I am correct. You are correct, no problem. Be confident, believe in yourself. Gbpusd, please, sir. Yep. Thank you, sir. Avinash, no problem. Okay, so now Gbpusd. Okay, so Gbpusd. Okay, let me tell you something. All dollar pairs behave almost in a similar way. So you saw that Gbpusd to me now started to be bearish again. What I think that, let me tell you a full analysis. Then we'll look at what's happening with Gbpusd. Looking at the monthly, it's a long-term bearish. Okay, Gbpusd is long-term bearish. Now, if you look at the overall price action, what you see that Gbpusd has created this head and shoulder on the monthly, and I was posting analysis, I think, from this zone every single day. And from this zone, what we have seen that the price was creating a series of lower high, okay, and lower low. So Gbpusd long-term bearish. Now previous months we have seen this bearish candle. This month, as soon as market opened, we have seen primarily drop, now created wick. Okay, so when you see a monthly drop and then created a wick, that means that it might prepare for another drop. Okay, that's how the market moves. Now looking at the weekly, this week we have seen that cross the previous week's high, you see, cross the previous week's high, and we see a rejection. So what I think that Gbpusd is going to do is dropping. Okay, to me, I could be wrong. Now you see the price just tested this daily 20 period moving average, and we have seen that a rejection. Okay, a rejection, long wick candle creating kind of head and shoulder. So looking at the intraday or 4 hour, what do you see? The price has created a kind of head and shoulder. So what I think that Gbpusd is doing is basically, after this, probably this one is closing after 59 minutes, this current candle, if it closes as a doji, the next one might go a little bit up, and then I think that it will continue to drop. It's a long-term bearish. It's bearish. So I will not be going short on Gbpusd. As you know that we are running a trade on GBP CAD as per my analysis today, and we are in profit. Okay, this trade I have sent to our VIP students, as I mentioned. So if you want to learn my strategies, how I pick this kind of trade, and also trade with me every single day, there's a discount going on. Look at how the price is moving to the direction. This is our risk to reward ratio, 1 to 3 risk to reward. So if you want to learn my strategies and also trade with me every single day in our VIP private channel, this is the trade. Look at this. We have sold at 1.5454. This zone, stop loss at 1.5487. This is the stop loss, and take profit at 1.5358. Okay, this is almost 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade. And also I have clearly explained to our VIP students what is the strategy used behind this trade, and they are learning this strategy in the lifetime access plan. So if you want to learn, if you pardon me, if you want to join in a different way, such as if you don't have credit card or debit card in a different payment method, just let us know in there is a live chat section in the website. You can use that to talk to our sales team. They will find a way to help you to be able to join. Now let me look at Gbpusd and GBP CAD. GBP CAD is moving aggressively to the direction of our trade, and I think that it will continue to drop a lot. So that's a good opportunity for us. Always sell the market that is dropping, buy in a market that is rising. That is the smart way to trade the market. Okay, so it's important that you understand how, and that is the smartest way to trade. Always buy, trade with the trend. It's very important. Let me look at where is my screen gone. Why there's so many screen? What's up, PC? Okay, so I think that a little bit of issue. 1 second, guys. I just can't find my page on YouTube. Okay, did I close? Okay, guys, can you see me, guys? I think I closed the page. Can you let me know, guys, in the chat section? You can see me or no? Just quickly. I think it's on. Okay, so awesome. I was worried about that. I thought that I was canceling a page and I cancel my stream. That's awesome. Okay, let's pick up. Okay, so GBP CAD, you see, today I posted analysis, and I'm sure that who watched that analysis on YouTube and TradingView definitely making money on it. So this is how Forex Wizard analyze the market. If you wanna be wizard, we create wizard. I have a big dream about this academy. Now I'm giving a lot of effort on it. I have a big dream about this academy. Trust me, I created from a very raw place. There was a time when I lost a lot of money in trading, and I learned from my hardship and mistake, and later I realized that actually that's what happened. You'll see that all the things created by the people who primarily failure. So there was a time when I was a complete failure in this business. I was devastated. I lost everything. Everyone was against me. Friends, family, even family member didn't want me to trade, go back to job. So I went back to job when I lost all of them, but I didn't quit. There was back of my mind that I can do it, and I did it. Okay, you can do it too. So that this academy is created from this place of authenticity, and from that place to help trader. Because one thing I realize in this universe is that whatever you will give it out will come back to you. That's the law of cause and effect. Okay, so there is a lot of coming up in this academy, and I'm committed to create the best trader in the world. Okay, so stay with that. If you want to join now, because there's a lot of demand, and slowly the place might be filling up, but still there is always an option. Just don't hesitate to contact us if you have any question using the live chat in the website, link in the description, or probably you can contact us via Telegram or in any medium. So with that in mind, let's see what you guys and girls are up to. Let me look at it. Okay, so Jack, hello, is it which one do you think is better, more accurate, TradingView or MT4? Jack, there is no specific criteria or TradingView or MT4, just timing is different. I look both. Okay, sometimes TradingView give us good idea about the market, the candles are clear. Sometimes MT4 gives better idea what's happening in the market. Better to use both. That's what I can say. A great content, keep it going, no problem. Andy, awesome. Can you please look at USD CAD? We'll look at it. Okay, so that's awesome, guys. How do you tell if the trend has reversed? Okay, Louis asks a question. How do I know if the trend is reversed? Okay, after analysis, let me look at GBPUSD. We already talked about it. Let me look at it again, and then I'll tell you how to understand a trend is reversed. So no, looking at the GBPUSD, just a couple of minutes ago I have I analyzed what I think that GBPUSD is now started to drop, because it's a long-term bearish market. Looking at the monthly, you see this is the monthly, weekly, this all things is long-term bearish. What I think that GBPUSD will drop from here. Looking at the daily, you see daily, we have seen the price just back to back 3 days tested this daily 20 period moving average and created, see on the daily time frame, you can see the head and shoulder here. Okay, you can see the head and shoulder. Okay, and now we have seen that the price now dropping. So what I think that slowly it will continue to drop. Okay, Gbpusd is bearish to me. On the 4 hour we have seen that this is you see the price after this doji, the price couldn't break this high, instead created a series of lower high and then coming down. So what it might do, it might create a possible head and shoulder on the 4 hour, and then it might continue to drop. So okay guys, so pardon me, now let me tell you what is how do you understand if the trend is reverse. See, nothing is guaranteed in trading. Okay, you can't say that something is sure in trading, but you need to speculate, and according to the way the market moves, you have to understand the system in the market. So the way you will understand a trend is reversal is, let's say, first of all, before you understand the reversal, you need to understand how the trend works. Okay, so if you take let's say a trend is creating a series of higher high and higher low. This is an uptrending market. Okay, so that's how you can define an uptrending market. Is that right? Now, as long as it is still creating a series of higher high and higher low, it's a trending market. But you know that a trend will never continue to forever. Okay, at some point you will see a reversal. So how do you understand a trend reversal? See, if you see that a trend went above, okay, like that, and suddenly broke the structure, you see the steps when you go to first floor to the second floor, you see the steps like this, right? So that's a structure. So before reversal, the price must break the structure. Okay, so how do it breaks the structure? Let's say it might do something like that. Let's say this is a channel. Okay, this is the channel of this, and the price is moving like that. Suddenly you could see that the price broke this channel. Okay, like this, a big move to the upside, and then you could see that the price broke this channel to the downside. Okay, like that. So what happened? It broke this structure, previous structure, and then you could see that the price now testing this previous support as resistance. So as soon as you see this kind, there is a chance that this trend is reversing. Not yet. When do you exactly understand that the trend is reversed? When you see that this broken channel or broken structure has been tested. So let's say, I will show you example. Let's say now the price tested this previous support as resistance, and then when you see a rejection, that is where the trend reversed from here. Okay, from here, not from here, no, from here. Now this reversal could be many ways. You could see just a double top like this, let's say like this, okay, and then double top and then reverse. Okay, so when you see double top reverse, you can't say, okay, in a trending market, if you see a double top, you can't say that the trend is reversing until you see that the break of structure testing this previous support here as resistance and then rejection. That is where you can see that the structure was before like this, okay, structure was before like this. Now after double top, structure become like this. So downtrend started from uptrend to the downtrend. So could be double top, could be head and shoulder, could be like a V shape or A shape structure, any kind of reversal pattern. Then you can say that the trend is reversed. So let me give you now an example. All the time there's a millions of example in the market. Let's say let's say Aussie dollar. Okay, I'll give you a couple of examples. Okay, look at this one here. You see the price was moving along this direction, and suddenly what happened? Look at this. The price created this big move up, created this double top, and then broke down, right? With the double top, and you see after this vertical move, created a double top, and then immediate down, the price went above. With this long candle, you see the price basically tested this double top, that support as resistance, rejection, and then this uptrend turned into a downtrend. So to understand a reversal, first of all, you need to understand the structure. What is the market structure? How the market is moving? And then if you could see a proper reversal pattern, then only you can say that the trend is reversed. Hopefully that you guys understood and found value in it. Now let me look at what you guys and girls are requesting on this. Steve, we can see, thank you for that. That's awesome. Madafa, what is happening to Eurusdjpy? Very good question. What's happening? We'll look at it. Do you plan to sell daily push signal to mobile phone? What are you saying? Daily push signal to mobile phone. I don't understand what you mean. I want to go 2% on short on USD. Can you have your perspective? Look at it. Eurusdjpy, Usdjpy. Hello, is it always worth watching your live session? Thank you. No problem, Shantosh. Always happy to help you guys and girls, and good, really good, feel good to spend some time with traders. Hi bro, how are you? Congratulating for new house. Not new house. It's basically it's my office. Hi Ujat, how do you calculate candle closure on different time frames? Trevor, how do you calculate candle closure on different time frame? Okay, so Trevor, you should know that it's you can see this timing on trading view. You see this is the trading view. You see, just turn it on, go to the setting, turn it on, then you can see this timing close. You see after 42 minutes this candle is closing. Hopefully you should get it. How can we identify price confirmation to make trade? How can we identify price confirmation to? Okay, Shantosh, very good question. How do you identify price confirmation to make trade? See, to do that you need strategies, okay? And that's what I do. My students learning this to understand price confirmation. It's the most crucial part, and to understand that you need to understand price action, what kind of candles will give you accurate signal. That's what you need to know. So to know more about it, if you are interested, you can, because I can't teach that in this live session. It's a big job. Big job means like VIP students paying for it. This is something that I have to keep them exclusive, but I try to teach you as much as in this live session for free to help you, to give you value. But if you want something more, you are always welcome to my Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you learn everything you need to become a trader. Please, your AUD Forex trading signal. Okay, and two patterns such as just a double top, triangle, wedge apply to all time frame from daily, minutes, yeah, absolutely. Zen pattern structure applied to all time frame all the time. Okay, it's a common language of the market. Okay guys, so now let me look at Okay, so let me look at Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD is also bearish, long-term bearish. You know, if you look at the monthly, what do you see? That monthly Euro AUD tested this monthly previous support here. You can see this is the previous support here. Okay, support here, tested as a resistance. This is the monthly time frame, and from this zone we saw that Euro AUD now creating a strong bearish candle, long-term bearish. Now you see the price started to move from here, means that we could potentially see a bigger move on Euro AUD. Okay, now looking at why bigger move, what I'm thinking, this is what the market is structured. You see, that's how you need to understand. Look at, let me draw this, all of them. You see the price, first of all, this is the support here, tested as a resistance with this big long candle, and then dropped here, went above to the retracement, tested this previous support again as a resistance, and we see another rejection. So what we could see on Euro AUD is the price to continue to drop. Now looking at the weekly, after the previous week's doji, this is the previous week's doji, we see that Euro AUD is coming down. Now looking at the daily, you see this is the daily time frame, and we have seen past day there is a bearish candle. See, this is the structure that you need to train your brain to identify. Look at this, guys. What you see that on the daily, first of all, there is a reversal pattern here that we're talking about. See, there is a reversal pattern. Okay, break of a structure with this big move, break of a structure. Now and then later what happened, you see the price basically tested this, exactly, you see, tested this support, okay, with this long wick candle support as a resistance, and then you see every single day the price created a series of lower high and then now breaking down. So this is a bearish price action. There is a bigger move down followed by consolidation and then again move down. So that's Euro AUD. Okay, it's coming down, and I think that it will continue to drop. Looking at the intraday, we have seen that the price nicely creating a series of lower high. Okay, this is the structure that is dropping, and I think that it will continue to drop. Okay, so if you look at this support zone here, this is the support, this is the previous support here, support here, support here, support here, support here. What we see that this support could be tested as a result, could not be, but I think that this is the zone, this is how Euro AUD will drop. This is the current 4-hour candle. After the closing of this candle, I think the next one might go up even to this zone and then could drop. So I will be waiting for a proper retest of this support here, support here, support here as a resistance, and then we could consider going short. But I think that Euro AUD will continue to drop. So that's a bearish price action. Kamul Hassan, how about crude oil? Okay, look at it. Mary, good evening, sir. Mary, no problem. Helen, USD CAD, please. You look at it. Hello, wizard. Thank you. No problem. Do you think gold can reverse from this current support because the RSI is showing a bullish divergence? Look at silver. Okay. Look at silver. Oh, look at it. Usdjpy. Okay, so I'll talk about now USD CAD, and then we'll talk about gold, and then we'll talk about Usdjpy. Okay, let me look at USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD, I think that because CAD is stronger, USD also getting stronger, I think it might go for a little bit of sideways movement, but finally it is bullish. Now looking at the monthly, you see the price just came to the monthly support, and then we have seen that from this support again a little bit of rejection. Okay, looking at the weekly, this is the weekly time frame, the price created this bearish move. So what I think that USD CAD might do now, it might just move in a sideways, okay, for a consolidation and slowly will create a bullish price action. Okay, so this is the bigger picture. Daily after this previous days, this red candle, we see that the price after from this zone little bit of picking to the upside. So what it could do, it could go up to this daily 20 period moving average and come back down. Okay, so it might, to be honest, I still not sure how it is doing, but looks like that it is in a sideway. So when I am not sure, because it's a bullish market, the price it might come down for a deeper retracement, but long term bullish, monthly is bullish. This is the monthly time frame, and what my bias will be to the buy, but I will not do anything on USD CAD. The reason is because USD is getting stronger, CAD is stronger. Fighting with strong is always very difficult. Better to marry always weak with the stronger. That's always a good idea. So let me look at now gold. So one of you has asked a question saying that will gold reverse from this monthly support? It could reverse. Okay, it could reverse, but so far still it's bearish, but it could reverse. We don't know how it might do, but it could reverse. So to understand either it will reverse or no, we need to see a big move first. Okay, but so far you see this is a bearish price action. You see, as I told you before, explain that if you look at the daily a price action, what you see that the price creating every day a stronger bearish candle followed by a very, very weaker response from the buyers. This is a very, very weak response, and with that in mind, we could see that your gold slowly could come down. Okay, so let me look at intraday or 4 hour. Okay, so what I think that we might see, it's a symmetrical triangle. After this big move drop, we have seen that the price created this triangle. Okay, and from this, I am expecting a fake move up, a little bit of fake move up and then coming down. That could be really awesome. Okay, from this triangle, okay, a fake move up and then coming down. That is a high probability happening. So if this is happen, that's a good way. Either let it break down on the retest or let it go up, create a fake move and then coming down. Okay, like creating a lower high on this one like that and then coming down. That's how normally a good probability trade setup. So let's see what happened. Akshay strategy Vitaya USDC also I see strong sell. Could look at it. JPY, sorry, US oil. Okay, look at US oil. Let me look at it monthly. Okay, US oil was in a very strong bullish move. Okay, monthly we see that now a deeper retracement. The price is coming for a deeper retracement, and what I think that US oil. Let me look at the weekly and daily. So this is the weekly time frame, and we have seen a head and shoulder on the weekly. Okay, on US oil, and so let me look at it daily. Okay, so US oil currently, what I would say that it might move in a sideway because day, when you see a conflicting price action, I just don't do anything. And you can see that this is the US oil, and this is the weekly time frame. What we see that on the weekly, the price first of all, let's create a head and shoulder. This is the head and shoulder, okay, and with that head and shoulder, okay, this is the neckline, support here, okay, support here. I think that you see this is the price tested as a resistance, and we could see slowly a drop, but I think that because the oil is always now, you know, in a hot zone, so we could see that the price is just moving in a sideways for a certain period of time, but not in a bull side, okay. Could be a little bit of, you know, bearish on US oil, okay, not that much strongly bearish, so it might just move in a sideways, slowly decelerate, and at some point it will pick up again. So for, you know, trading perspective, I will not be trading. I don't like to trade this kind of market. I like to trade the market that is showing a clear price action, like the one that GBP CAD or GBP USD is showing now, price action, this kind of market, okay guys. So Kingsley says that the people that taught me trading said, when I see a shooting star, that is a selling pressure, but to my surprise, you don't see it that way. No, my trading style is completely different, because I learned from long observation and you know, a lot of study. So the way I look at market, let me tell you, see, so why, you see, let me give you a couple of examples so you'll understand. So they said that when you'll see a shooting star, you will see a selling pressure. Let me show you what could happen. Okay, you see, this is a, let me replay this chart. Okay. You see, this is a shooting star, okay, it's a perfect shooting star, all right. It's a selling market, shooting star, okay. Now what happened next? You see, the prices started to rise up, okay. And if you trade this shooting star, this is the daily time frame, if you trade it on the 4 hour, that's a good trade, right? Now why I don't see the market that way is because, first of all, the way I look at market, see, there is a lot of things that you need to consider. First of all, the imbalance, okay, and support and resistance, retracement, and, you know, trend. So let's say if I see this shooting star, okay, how I look at this shooting is the buy or sell. If I, let's say this is the daily time frame, right? For me, the next one is buy. Why? See, the way I look at the low of the daily. First of all, you see, series of higher low, okay. This is the first thing I look at. Low of the daily is a higher low. That means that the sellers couldn't break the support, so there is a buyers in this. Secondly, look at the high of the candle. You see, series of higher low. So that means that on the lower time frame, if you go to the 5 minutes, if you go to the 15 minutes, that's a bullish channel, right? That's a bullish channel. So another thing is that, see, when you see a move like that, you know, another push to the upside created a higher high and higher low, high probability that this one will go up. And we have a completely dedicated strategy that is for teaching. This is called the EAR strategy in our website to trade this kind of candlestick pattern. So that's how I look at the market, at a completely different way. That's why it's different always, the Forex trading wizard academy. So let's look at now Eurujpy. Eurujpy, This is daily 4 hour. So Euro JPY, I will not do anything now because JPY is weaker currency. Looks like the euro dropping. So look at the bigger picture monthly Euro JPY. You can see that this is the monthly time frame, and I think that you see there was a big drop on the monthly, and then the bulls pushed the price high, and I think that it will continue to rise Euro JPY. So looking at the weekly, this is the past week created this candle this week, slowly pushing high, but it's still not fully bullish. Looking at the daily, look, this is where I will be interested in buying Euro JPY from this zone. Okay, this is the previous resistance. So this is the zone that I can say that is the resistance here. The price likely to come down to this previous resistance, testing as support, and then it could create a bullish move. Looking at the intraday or 4 hour. So this is what I will be interested on Euro JPY for bullish move from this zone. Okay, to the upside. So for now, neither selling nor buying. Okay. So Euro JPY waiting for this level to reach, and then we can consider going long on Euro JPY. So any trade taken? Yeah, we have taken GBP CAD. So yeah, that's the one that we are running. GBP CAD pushing up, no problem. Yeah, that's how the market moves. We'll push up, push down. After 23 minutes, this candle is closing. But I think that as long as it's closing as a doji, there is still bearish. Let's see what happened. Okay, guys. In the meantime, let me look at what you guys and girls are up to. So there are some more new content coming, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Before I wrap up, let me go through most of the pairs, how they are doing, and then we'll finish today's session. There is a news already, I think news already released on CAD. So because of this news, we have seen a push up. That's good thing for, CAD is getting a little bit stronger, but I think that finally it will come down. Let me look at AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, Aussie dollar. So in Aussie dollar, what you see Aussie dollar is on the monthly. Okay, Aussie dollar has tested, there was a weakness candle on the monthly, okay, in this zone on Aussie dollar, and with this weakness candle, what we have seen, the price just broke this weakness candle, and we have seen a rejection. This is the weekly time frame. We have seen the price just tested this weekly doji, tested this previous support here as a resistance. If you see that this is the previous support here, support here, support here as a resistance, and we see that the price now from this zone is should continue to drop. Looking at the daily, now you see this is the Aussie dollar daily time frame creating kind of rejection from the top, and I think Aussie dollar, you see the price has created a candle that has crossed all these monthly resistance, and we see the primarily rejecting. To me, Aussie dollar might create like a Gbpusd head and shoulder, and then we could see that it is coming down again. So Aussie dollar in an important level of resistance. This is the monthly resistance, and I think that it will continue to drop. Okay, so that's what I think, that Aussie dollar could continue to drop. After a possible head and shoulder, we might consider going short on Aussie dollar. Let's see what happened. So guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying. Let me know if you have any question else so that I know exactly everything is being covered. Gbpusd, okay, Gbpusd also creating a bearish price action. I think that it will continue to drop. Gbpcad is creating kind of dodgy, so that's a possible. Let's see what happened. Gbp CHF, Gbp JPY, so all that. Okay, so gold also, you know, you see the price went above, now coming down again. So I'm just looking at quickly all of them. NZD, JPY, USD, CHF, dollar yen, USD ZAR. So USD ZAR, looking at the daily, weekly, okay, so USD ZAR is long-term bullish market. We might see deeper retracement, but this is the weekly candle. You can see after the previous weekly's candle, the price now creating kind of narrow candle on the weekly. Still, you know, 2 days, almost 3 days to go. What I think that USD ZAR will remain probably in this narrow range and then will continue to rise. So it's a bullish market. Looking at the daily, this is you know, a strongly bullish market on USD ZAR. Now consolidating, I think that it will continue to rise. Okay, looking at the intraday or 4 hour, we have seen that the price kind of creating an inverted head and shoulder, and what I think that slowly it will create a structure like this and will continue to go up. So yeah, that's it guys for today. And USD is getting stronger against CAD also, so that's good thing. And ZDUSD creating a kind of pattern that is bearish to me. Let's see what happened. So yeah, that's it guys. This is all for today. I'll be on it tomorrow. There is some new content coming as well. Make sure you guys and girls stay tuned by subscribing and pressing the like button. And also, if you want to learn my strategies and also trade with me in my VIP channel, Receive Trade Signal, then you can check out in the description area. Let us know if you have any question. There is a live chat option available. You can talk to our team. And yeah, that's it. See you soon. See you tomorrow in this live trading session. Till then, stay safe, manage your risk, and I'll see you tomorrow.